morning, dear students. We were doing question answers of the chapter A Bicycle in Good Repair. So on Saturday we have discussed question number first and second. Let's continue from question number third. Question number third we have is nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happened. See, that boy who was with the narrator, he was not proficient, he was not expert in repair. In spite of this thing, he was doing so many experiments with his bicycle. He dismantled so many parts of his bicycle. Okay. So when this dialogue was spoken, nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. What is its actual meaning? Nothing is easier than taking off its gear case. So, bache, what do you think? What does it mean? What does it mean? Nothing is easier than taking off its gear case. Can anybody tell me? It means to take off gear case, it is very easy. But when we have to refix it, when we have to join it again, it is rather very much difficult. Okay? So prepare your answer. Prepare your answer and tell me. So according to this content, it is given that to take off, it is easier, but to refix it or to join it rather difficult. So some hints are provided to you. You pick up these hints and start framing this answer and raise your hand whose answer is ready. Hurry up. Hurry up, bache. Okay, Drishti and Revya, two are intelligent one. Those whose answer is ready. I would be asking Drishti and Revya Gabba. Afterwards, okay, Shriya. Okay, three of these girls will be telling me the answer one by one. Then any of the child should be ready with the answer. It will be asked by me. So, okay, Drishti, you tell me, what do you say?
Yes, ma'am. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. This means that it is very easy to take out the gear case, but to refix it, it is very difficult, and the boy didn't know how to refix it again.
Okay. Shreya, you tell me same answer.
Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, but it's an impossible task to fix it back. The author's friend took out the gear case easily, but he was having a nightmare in putting it back to its place.
You have spoken the word talking off. It is taking off. Otherwise, your answer was perfect. Okay. So, Jasleen, you tell me same answer. Jasleen.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, but it is rather difficult to refix it. The author's friend had dismantled the gear case without any problem, but it was very difficult for him to put it back to its place.
Good, good, good. Very nice. Now, same answer I'm going to ask from Vaibhav. Vaibhav, you tell me the same answer. Yes, Vaibhav. Unmute yourself, Vaibhav. He has left the class now. See. Nonihal Singh Sabharwal. You tell me the same answer. Nonihal. Unmute yourself and tell me this answer. Hurry up. See, if they don't know the answer, they are going to leave the class, and hints are written in front of you. With the help of these hints, you can frame your answer. Still, students are not responding. Aryan Kareer, you tell me this answer. Aryan Kareer. Yes, Aryan. Your answer is ready or not? Unmute yourself and tell me this answer. Khushi Tandon, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case, but it is an impossible task to fix it back. The author's friend took out the gear case easily, but he was having a nightmare in putting it back to its place.
Good. Good, good. Nice. Now, Aryan, your answer is ready or not? Aryan, you are physically present in class or not? Now, next question we have is, what special treatment did the chain receive? What special treatment? Chain. Chain is a part of bicycle. Okay. So chain was actually a little bit loose. So it was tightened by that boy, but it was tightened so badly, so you can say so much that this chain was not able to move at all. It was tightened so badly that it was not able to move at all. Okay, and when it was creating difficulty, so it loosened it, but when it was loosened, it became twice as loose as it was before. Okay, so hints are given to you. So start framing your answer on this question. Chain was tightened. So you have to use the word tightened. Okay, so hard. After that, it was loosened, but it was loosened more twice. Twice word you can use, twice as it was before. So you pick up these points, hints. With the help of these hints, any of the child of this class can frame this answer if they want. It's not difficult at all. Hints are written in a very simple language. You pick up these hints, add up your content, and then frame up your answer. Okay. So, bache, there should be maximum participation. So many students can participate. In this way, your English will improve and you will become confident, and most of the text will be prepared in class. And one thing more I want to discuss with you today, there is a test of chapter friend and foe. Okay, test of chapter friend and foe is there, and you have to learn it thoroughly. Word meanings also, question answer, and back exercise. At sharp 4 o'clock, test will be sent to you. Okay, no need to send the test. You will be doing the test at that time. but answer key will be sent to you next day so that you can check your answer and you can see if any of the answer is wrong or right. But don't think that if you are not supposed to send the test, you will not be learning. It's really wrong, because whatever the schedule is given, if you do preparation according to that, then your whole of the syllabus will be prepared in school, in class, only in this way, if you follow the proper schedule which is being shared to you of every subject. If you don't follow it, if you think, yes, nobody is going to check the test, why should I do? So this is your wrong mentality. See, you are so lucky enough because very good schedules are shared to you. You are given proper schedule of test also, revision also. If you follow that schedule, you will not face any kind of difficulty. Okay. So this answer will be told by Akshita Seni. After Akshita, Ashima should be ready with the answer. Okay, Akshita, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the chain was tightened hard as it was not able to move, and then it was loosened twice more as it was before.
Good. Ashima, now you tell me this answer. Yes, Ashima. Yes, Ashima, you tell me this answer. Anmol Singh, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am. The author's friend tightened the chain so much that it stopped moving completely. Then he began to loosen it. He loosened it until it became twice as loose as it was before.
Okay. Rihanika, you tell me same answer. Yes, Rihanika. The students who are not responding in class, shall I mark them absent in my record? Shall these students be marked absent? Rihanika. They are not unmuting themselves. I am requesting them to unmute, but they are not unmuting themselves. Okay, Jalashveer, you tell me the same answer. Jalashveer. Mute yourself. Don't create disturbance. If there is any problem in your mute yourself. There is no need to unmute. Mute yourself. Okay, Sanya, you tell me. Sanya, you tell me this answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when that boy unscrewed the chain, it was so difficult to screw it back. All the ball bearings spreaded on the ground, and it took about half an hour to manage it again.
Yes, good. Nice. Okay. After that, next question we have is, the friend has two qualities. He knows what he is doing and he is absolutely sure it is good. Find the two phrases in the text which mean the same. The friend has two qualities. He knows what he is doing and he is absolutely sure it is good. So find the two phrases in the text which means the same. So you have to find out the text from your, you can say, chapter. From the chapter, what is given? See, two traits are given. What are the two traits which are associated with him? Find out from the text. Whatever the text is given to you, find out from that text. All of you should have books. So when the problem was there, when it was having a problem, okay, but still he was doing it with lots of courage. So what traits are used? Tell me. Here it is given. I am giving you a hint that where you can find out this answer. From this page, you can find out this answer. So what is that? You can type in chat box if you know the answer. You can type in chat box. Yes, it is cheery confidence. Yes, and second, yes, inexplicable hopefulness. Inexplicable hopefulness and cheery confidence. So these are the two traits. Traits means, what is the meaning of trait? Trait means quality. Trait means quality. So you can pick up this cheery confidence and inexplicable hopefulness. Clear, beta? So you can pick up this. Now next question we have is, describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentence in the text and write them. You have to find out relevant. Relevant means which are absolutely correct. You have to pick up those sentences. You have to write down those sentences also, and you have to describe the fight between the man and the machine. The name is given fight. Basically, it was a fight because the man was trying his level best to refix that machine. Because all the parts were dismantled by that boy, and narrator was trying his level best to keep all the dismantled part on its correct position. Okay, so bache, here I am using words dismantle. So you also write down this word in your answer. Dismantle means the broken parts. Okay, so he was trying to refix it. Refix it means he was trying to join them. So you pick up these words, dismantle, refix, add up those words, and you have to describe all that scene in which that boy was trying his level best to dismantle all the parts on its position. At one point, he was keeping bicycle at one place. Okay, he was keeping it down and he was up. Sometime it was up and he was down. Okay, sometime it put against a tree. So you have to describe all those scenes when he was trying his level best to refix that machine, refix that bicycle. So you write down these points and be ready with your answer. I'm giving you time. You can frame this answer. And whose answer is ready, whatever they have written, they can speak about this. Okay, Prabh and Drishti and Arshia, their answer is ready. Very nice. Okay. Khushi Tandon, you tell me what have you written? Khushi Tandon, you tell me what have you written?
Yes, ma'am. The author's bicycle did not need any treatment, was in a good condition, but the friend of the author made it a big deal and messed it up. He actually made it such that now it would need a lot of repair.
But you have to tell in detail, beta. Not only 2-3 lines, you have to write down this answer in detail. Okay, but whatever you have spoken, it was right, but explain in detail. Start writing more. Okay, Rivia, you tell me. Yes, Rivia.
The fight between the man and the machine was evident one, as for a moment the bicycle was on the gravel path and the man was on the top of it. The next moment the position would be totally opposite. He was on the gravel path and the bicycle was on him. Now he made standing as if he has won the battle of the bicycle, and he firmly fixed, unable to loosen his grip. After being so untidy and messy that it had enough of it and he didn't want any more.
Okay, good. Written well, but add up some more lines. Okay, now Samriddhi, after Samriddhi, Harman, you should be ready with your answer. Yes, Samriddhi, you tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. The author's bicycle was in good condition, but the author's friend unnecessarily disturbed it. He first took out the wheel and then the gear case. His next victim was the chain. He really had a though time in fixing these parts back. Then he lost his temper and tried bullying the thing. One the moment the bicycle would be on the gravel path and on the top of it next the position would be reserved.
Okay. Okay, add other lines also. Okay, now Harman Par, you tell me. Where is Harman? Yes, Harman Preet, sorry. Harman Preet, you tell me this answer. What have you written? Harman Preet, unmute yourself and tell me this answer. Harman, are you listening to me or not? Unmute yourself and tell me your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
What have you written?
Ma'am, the fight between machine and the man was that, ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am, page, ma'am, 2 minutes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the fight between the man and the machine was like that. In the first position, the wheel was on the gravel path and the boy was on the wheel, and at the second time there was a complete opposite position. The man was on gravel path and the wheel was on boy.
Listen, bache, I have listened this answer from near about 4 students, but I was not satisfied with your answer because whenever you have to describe that fight, you have to describe all the incidents in detail. You have to tell the first fight, and after that, when he was able to refix all the parts, how did he get victory? So in this way, there should be proper arrangement of the ideas, and this answer requires a lot of detail. So let's start working on this answer. I will be giving you points. You'll be also participating in chat box. We'll be writing the main hints. Then we will be jotting down all the hints on blackboard. I will be writing. You pick up all the hints, then all the ideas will be arranged in a proper way. You have to tell first what happens, how the fight started, how did it get continue, and after that how did he got victory, how did he get victory. So let's begin with this. So first of all, think about this. I'm going to read your chat box. Hurry up, tell me first. Firstly, what was the condition of bicycle? It was bad or it was in good condition? Tell me. The condition of bicycle. It was good or bad? Yes, it was good. But who made it bad? Who made it bad? Yes, boy made it bad. How did he made it bad? By dismantling. By dismantling different parts. By dismantling different parts of it. So he simply dismantled all the parts of it. In this way, the condition became bad. So what was the first part that he took it out? What was the first part of bicycle that he took it out? Yes, it was gear wheel. So when you will be telling about gear wheel, you can tell that how did he take it out, that narrator went outside to bring toolkit. He did not wait for that. He took gear wheel. Okay. You can say front wheel. Sorry. He took the front wheel. So you have to describe that scene. You have to describe the scene. How did he took the front wheel? Okay. After taking out front wheel, what did he do? After front wheel, then he took out gear case. Then you describe its scene, that how did it take out the gear case. And after gear case, what was the next part of the bicycle that he took? Yes, it was chain. He made the chain so tight that it stopped working. Then afterwards, he loosened it. And when he loosened it, he made that chain twice as loose as it was before. Okay, so you have to describe all the things, that what experiment did he do with chain. Okay. After that, what happened? There was a scene of a fight. You can describe that scene also. What kind of fight was going on? You have to describe that fight also. Which kind of fight? Yes, it was a fight, evident, very much clear fight between both. Okay, yes, very good. He became angry also. So what was the reason of his anger? You can describe all the things also. Okay, lost his temper, he was out of control. Okay, after that anger, what was that? After anger, what happened? When he lost his temper, yes, you are writing absolutely correct in chat box. Afterwards, what happened? When he lost his temper, there was an evident fight between both. Then what happened afterwards? Yes, he started bullying. He started bullying the, to whom did he bully? He bullied the things. Yes, he started bullying the things. Okay, he started bullying the things. Afterwards, what happened? He was bullying the things, then after that, the bicycle was on which path? What word is used for path in your textbook? What kind of path was this? Yes, very good. So many students are typing correct answer. It was on gravel path. So it was on gravel path. Bicycle was on gravel path. Okay. Again, he had to do a lot of struggle, had to do a struggle, then won. He was able to fix it. But afterwards, what happened? He got hit. He got hit from its handle. He got hit from its handle. So, bache, you pick up all these hints. You have to arrange all the ideas. You have to go step by step. Firstly, what happened? Front wheel episode, then gear case incident, then chain, that how was the fight going on? Why did he become angry? Okay. Why was he bullying the things? Why bicycle was on gravel path? Okay. What kind of struggle he had to do? Finally, how did it won? He won. And why did he got hit? Because of its handle. So you have to arrange all the ideas in this way. Your answer will be in full detail, having, you can say, 1 or 1.5 page. So you have to put efforts on this. You have to put efforts on this. This answer should be written in detail. You have to pick up so many points, go through the text again and again, pick up main words. Okay, go through all the details. Which kind of incident was going on, what kind of incident was going on. So then you frame your answer. This is the correct way of framing your answer. Don't do this question in hurry. So I'm giving you one day. Today in the evening, you can put efforts, you can prepare this answer in detail and get ready with your answer tomorrow. I will be discussing with you tomorrow. Okay, and I would be appreciating all those children who would be putting full enthusiasm in English class. They will be putting efforts and their answer should be of near about 1 page, having all the details. Clear, beta? Now I'm going to over your class, put efforts on this. Okay, beta? Okay, thank you and have a nice day.